chaos, ladies.
Okay, all right, thank you. Excuse me. Come here, you beautiful chunklash. You want that? Okay, here you go. Here you go.
Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for being here this week. We are in the Lake Louise parking lot, which is quickly filling up. We did plan a little bit better, so we did get a good spot this week. We're gonna do a hike this morning. The weather is super clear today. Honestly, it's lining up to be a bit of a beauty day. So we're pretty excited about it. Let's get this hike. You can see how stacked up the lot already is here. Frost up here on the solar panels, and a nice little butt print. Oh. All right, this is what we're leaving behind. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Hey, please. She's perfect. Bye, little bean.
Just turn these lights off.
One of the things about national park hikes, you kind of are racing people out of the gate, so trying to put a little distance on some people behind us right now.
We are headed potentially check out this little historic tea house that we've heard about. We like that you guys like to see stuff in the van because that's where we're most comfortable shooting.
If you don't know, Scarlet and I are both very large introverts. It takes a lot to break the camera out in public.
But we're doing better, we're doing better.
We're getting better at it.
So we're about to come up on the historic St. Agnes tea house. We have heard good things, but I don't really like tea, so we'll see.
I like tea, so I'll be getting tea if there's tea here.
Today's their last day.
Yeah, can I just get a Canadian maple tea?
Yeah,
Thanks. Be careful.
Oh my God.
Is that scary?
Really like.
Hello, brother. What do we have in terms of snacks today?
Cranberries. Some light ASMR.
Oh, thank you. It's some bird ASMR.
Yeah.
They ask him for snacks. Sounds like baby Sash.
They're cute.
Brother. Yeah, they are pretty cute.
Isn't that really comfortable? The jagged
Yes, I like how it
cliff
sits
edge.
inside of my ass while I sit down. Because it's hooked into the fire hose here. Come on, hook in. So these are the glaciers. You can see there's definitely glaciers there.
6.
The 6 glaciers area. The water's kind of popping though. You see that? That sweet Gatorade blue. Yeah, we timed this perfectly.
Always remember to leave no trace, folks.
Yeah, please. We've actually found a fair amount of trash on this, which is a little disheartening.
Recreate responsibly. Pack in, pack out. Thank you. So I was gonna say, I was surprised that no one is on the lake.
Like the canoes. I guess my question, like, what would this look like in the summer? Would it just be packed with canoes? I'm envisioning like a sea of canoes. Those things are channeling the baby cat. She's here with us, even when she's not with us.
I really want one to land on my arm.
They would. If you held stuff out, I bet you they would.
Is that irresponsible though?
I mean, probably. We came, we conquered, and now we leave.
Hi! She's ready to seize the day. Loaf check. Look at that form.
Where are your arms? Oh yeah. The loaf has been broken. We're stepping out. Not sure why my phone is pink here. Ended at 9.4 miles, 3 hours, 55 minutes, but we took a lot of breaks, chilling, drinking tea and stuff like that. Pretty solid hike, I'd say.
Coming down, there were like mass amounts of people going up, so I can only imagine if we had started an hour later.
What
Hey,
the heck
what are you doing?
is going on over here?
She's trying to drink out of this glass when she has water right there.
This is what we get from her. So I think we're actually heading off into new territory. Are you ready, baby?
I'm not. And I think this is like one of those lessons with van life. You learn how to let go of things and places. At some point, you either have to decide like, okay, are we moving here permanently and giving up van life, or are we gonna move on and continue traveling? So I think van life is just a good lesson in letting go. But no, I'm not ready to leave.
We're not doing this. I'm not doing this with you. I'm not playing this game with you right now. Sasha, no thank you. You need to relax yourself. Something is broken deep inside of her tiny little smooth brain. Okay, let's set this oven 350 and let's try 350 and 25, all right, baby Sash? She really sets me off the way she runs around on these counters. Someone's throwing a fit over here.
I'm hungry.
I'm working on it.
Oh, so rude.
Excuse you.
Honestly,
Whoa.
so rude.
Okay, thank you. All right, you already know what time it is. We got some breakfast tacos out here, freshly made. We got the potatoes, some spinach, some onion, some Justegg, a little bit of vegan cheese, and some avocados for you, ma'am. Finally. Also, did a little POV shot, a little something different. Let me know if you like it in the comments below. We're gonna crush these tacos, get this show on the road, baby. Come on, ladies.
Let's go.
Oh, she's so good. Lula is perfect, by the way.
If you haven't already caught on
If you haven't already figured that out,
I mean, look at
she's
her.
perfect. She's beautiful. She's chunky. She's satisfying. She's everything you could ever want. Baby cat. Wow, this is stacked. I was like shocked this morning when I got on the roof and I was like, there was lines everywhere.
Yeah.
Can a dream? There she is.
The baby of the family.
Oh no.
Oh, that was a drawer.
Dude.
Let's you go get that.
All right. Come on. Stay up here. Oh, God. Okay. Here we go. Oh. Sasha, come back.
Dude, they're just funneling like.
Yeah, they're telling people to leave now.
If you drive in here, they're just like go.
They're like, get out.
Oh God, it like Disney World.
It actually is like Disney World here. It feels like Disney World. Like the crowds, the mass amounts of people, the panicked, frantic excitement that everyone has.
Yeah.
Pro tip, any national park, always show up early.
Lula always takes driver, and Sasha always takes passenger. It doesn't matter who's. It's not the person, it's the position.
You get that sweet, precious chunk, and I get this long, gangly bean. Well, we made it 40 minutes before Scarlet tapped out because she's very tired.
I'm tired.
If you don't know Scarlet, she needs 10 solid hours of rest every night and 3 square meals a day.
My eyes were closed as we were driving, so I had to pull over, and I think we're gonna make some coffee. Some real coffee, not decaf.
Someone's a big decaf coffee drinker. So now we're gonna make some real coffee. I'll be doing that for you, huh?
Yes.
All right.
Don't you guys love our shower?
This is really what's become of the shower as of late, which is actually kind of nice to have like a weird little storage area, and we can always move stuff between the cab. Any place that's not lived in constantly, like the cab or the shower, is typically gonna collect a bunch of crap. So that's pretty typical. And I see we have a rester back there. Wow, 40 minutes of driving really takes it out of you, huh?
I'm so tired.
Wow. All right, I'm gonna make you some coffee. Get some rest, okay? All right, good night.
Night.
Bye. This is the best. Got a little espresso made. I'm taking over this Sleepy. Hey Sleepy. Resting? Here you go.
Thank you.
That's nice. That's gonna kick pretty hard, by the way.
Oh, wow. We used to do espresso every morning when we would build vans, so this taste just takes me back. Oh my gosh. I did take a little nappy.
Did you?
How long was I asleep for?
Probably 15-20 minutes. Oh yeah, look, you've got like a nice little line on your face all lined up.
I did fall asleep.
That's good.
Oh, I'll be refreshed and rejuvenated.
Scarlet wanted to show you her clogs.
I got these fire felt clogs from LL Bean. Being in the van, like the floor gets really dirty very easily, and it also gets really, really cold during the winter. And we do have heated floors, but we never turn them on.
Oh my.
So these are like so nice because really nice, like cozy material. So you just slip the old clogs on.
So those are your house clogs,
My house clogs.
That's nice.
Ready to drive.
Scarlet's back up. She's back in business.
Got my driving clogs on.
I'm gonna do some editing on what will end up being last week's video. Go check that out if you haven't watched it.
Na 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 na.
Na, 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 na. Let's get after it, ladies. I will say, this is like probably one of the best things about van life.
Yeah.
So you're feeling a little tired, pull over, make yourself a little coffee. It's one of the best things about living in a van, honestly.
Gonna listen to my new fave song.
Give him a paragraph.
First things first. Okay, I'll be back.
If you're wondering why Scarlet is taking a shovel into the woods, it's because our composting toilet is very full and we haven't been able to order cocoa core to Canada. We've had some issues getting packages shipped here. So yeah, we've basically been using the old shovel method. We definitely miss our toilet and we're hoping to have that back very soon. I was gonna say Sasha was gonna show you the campsite, but maybe Lula will. Hey, you're naked. You can't come out here. Old Chunk Wallace over there checking it all out, sniffing around. Scarlet just went out in her clogs and he couldn't find a spot. How are you doing in there?
Better now.
There she goes. Anyway, back to the site. So our friends were saying that this camper nobody showed up to, which kind of sucks. It always sucks when people like leave their stuff out and aren't actually using these beautiful sites. We got a little lakefront views. We got the van parked up over here. Side door facing out to that beauty lake right there. Baby Sasha has lots of room to roam. Honestly, this may be one of the better sites we've stayed, at least recently. Maybe we'll stay here for a couple days. I don't know what exactly our plans are. And there she is. Have you ever seen a more perfect bean?
You're beautiful.
This is the funniest thing to me. Sasha really loves the drone. Look at that. Jaqueline is quite interested in it as well. Well, all the ladies, with the exception of Lula, who's back inside now, enjoy their outside time. I'm gonna get started on dinner, which tonight is going to be a vegan pad thai. One of the perks of being out here in an area where we are level, we can shower, which means the water heater's gotta be turned on. Okay, on the menu tonight, we have some strange variation of pad thai with some tofu in it. That's for you.
Wow, beautiful, thank you.
Come on. Come on, Sasha. Get dinner. There you go.
Alright. Bye, guys. I'm gonna clean the van. I think Seth is gonna get some shots of the campsite, but it's beautiful here. Happy to be here. And I'll see you next week.
Thanks for hanging with us today. It's a very chill evening. Just some dinner, hanging outside, watching the ladies romp around, which is probably our favorite pastime. I think being on the water is so cool. We always love when we get to camp on the water. The large trees are still looking nice tonight. Let me know what you guys are enjoying about these videos, because it really helps give me a direction for where to take them. So if you're liking the food stuff, if you're wanting more recipes, let me know in those comments down below. Honestly, life is good. Last couple of weeks have been really amazing to be in and around Banff. I think we're actually gonna end up staying here tomorrow again because it's just such a great spot. We've got some work to do. I'm super happy to be out here. Shout out to all you for the support on these videos. These are kind of like my favorite thing to do right now. I'm having a really good time making them and hope you enjoy them. If you do, like the video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next episode. Oh, that was pretty.